In recent years, corded electric lawnmowers have become a popular alternative to gas-powered machines, thanks to their eco-friendliness, low maintenance, and consistent performance. Homeowners love them for being quieter, lighter, and easier to handle. List number 1. The Greenworks 60V17 brushless push lawnmower offers reliable performance with the convenience of cordless operation, making it ideal for eco-conscious homeowners. Featuring a durable brushless motor, it provides efficient cutting power while maximizing battery life. Its 17-inch deck makes it suitable for smaller lawns, allowing easy maneuverability even in tight spaces. With options for mulching, bagging, and rear discharge, this mower delivers versatile lawn care solutions. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the push-start button ensures hassle-free operation. Although it is technically cordless, it stands as a strong competitor to corded electric options due to its consistent runtime and clean finish. Best for those seeking. List 2. The Craftsman 20-inch corded electric lawnmower delivers strong cutting performance backed by a 13-amp motor, making it one of the most powerful corded models on the market. Its 20-inch deck provides excellent coverage, reducing mowing time for medium-sized yards. Designed with 3-in-1 capabilities, mulching, bagging, and side discharge, it offers flexibility in lawn maintenance. The lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to push, while the folding handle improves storage convenience. Unlike cordless mowers, this corded model ensures unlimited runtime, so you don't need to worry about recharging. Its powerful motor handles thick grass with ease, making it a great choice for homeowners who want consistent power without. List number 3. BLACK+DECKER's corded electric mower is a dependable and affordable choice for small to medium lawns. With its 20-inch cutting deck and high-efficiency motor, it provides consistent performance without the noise and fumes of a gas mower. It features adjustable cutting heights, allowing you to customize the trim for your lawn's needs. This model is designed with an ergonomic handle for comfort during extended mowing sessions, while its lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver. Homeowners will appreciate its 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, and side discharge that adds value and flexibility. Since it's corded, it guarantees uninterrupted operation, making it a practical option for users who prefer straightforward. List number. The WORX 40V14 cordless lawnmower is compact, efficient, and perfect for small yards. While not corded, it is an excellent alternative for homeowners who want the convenience of electric mowing without managing an extension cord. The 14-inch cutting deck makes it extremely easy to handle in tight spaces or around landscaping features. Its lightweight design ensures effortless maneuverability, while dual 20V batteries provide consistent power for small to medium mowing sessions. The mower also offers adjustable cutting heights to adapt to seasonal grass growth. While its runtime may be limited compared to a corded model, the quick battery recharge ensures minimal downtime. For city homeowners or those with smaller plots, this mower delivers quiet. List 5. The BLACK+DECKER electric lawnmower with bike handle is built for comfort and precision mowing. Its bike-style handle provides an ergonomic grip, reducing strain during extended use. Powered by a reliable corded electric motor, it ensures consistent power without interruptions. The mower features multiple cutting height adjustments, making it versatile for different grass types and seasons. Its lightweight build allows easy maneuverability, while the 20-inch cutting deck ensures efficient coverage for medium lawns. With mulching, bagging, and side discharge functions, this mower offers complete lawn care flexibility. Homeowners will especially appreciate its easy start system and quiet operation, making it perfect for residential neighborhoods.